I'll have you like step like a little bit closer here towards like the light. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, hold that. That's so funny. This is really good.
Wait, stop.
This is so funny.
Wait, that's gonna be our Christmas card.
Yeah, like do like a little twirl dance, something like that. Yeah.
Oh, me?
Oh, you want to? It's like the roles reversed. Anyway, yeah. That is so funny. Like already, like.
That's funny.
I'm already digging it. I like the outfits are matching. Amazing.
My idea.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, 1, 2.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Do that again, one more time.
Wait.
Perfect. I'm gonna get a little bit closer now. All right, inhale, close your eyes. 3, 2, 1, open, exhale. Perfect. Which side is your good side, by the way?
My left side is my good side.
Oh, okay.
So both of you are left side? Or?
I don't care.
You don't care?
Yeah. But well, if you capture a side profile, like for sure from the left,
Okay.
the hair this way as opposed to the right for the hair.
Break your neck a little bit to your left, Chrissy.
Break my neck?
Like this.
Oh.
Like tilt it, like.
To left?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
perfect. So that like I can get like separation with you and Nate here. Do that trick, inhale. 3, 2, 1, exhale, open.
Are you smiling?
Yeah, he was smiling a little bit. Yeah, perfect. And then yeah, Nate look out towards that way, and then Chrissy look towards the gray here. This looks sick. Oh my god.
Oh, look at us.
You guys are naturals. Like Jesus Christ. Inhale, exhale. Perfect. These are so.
Wow.
So.
It's an album cover.
Do something like that, like. Oh my god.
Yes.
That is so good. That is so good.
We're fun. Good job, Nate. You're a natural model.
You're definitely a natural model, Nate. This is your first time?
Yeah.
Really? I thought you had shoots in the past for some reason.
No, this man says he isn't a model.
He says he's gonna model.
But then if he stayed in the Philippines, I feel like
Wait, you're he's Filipino.
he's full Filipino.
Really? I'm Filipino too. Oh my gosh. Welcome to the family.
That's
We put around all the food, all the.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
I am now Ate.
No, I think Chrissy's.
I'm Ate.
Oh. That's what's up.
All the family.
That is so dope.
Here, can you sit in that?
Yeah, switch sides. Gonna get a little bit closer.
Yeah, I'm smiling.
That was like a full-on model.
You're sick.
That's good.
3, 2, 1. Perfect. So good.
Cute.
Chrissy, put your head on his shoulder. Right side. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna get close up right now. 2, 1.
Wow.
West Anderson film.
Wow, look at us. I'm so model.
You both are models at this point. Hold that. Hold that. Perfect. Hold that. Both close your eyes now. Perfect.
Cute.
Amazing.
Wow, we love each other so much.
2, 1, go. Both close your eyes. Both now look at me. Close your eyes, both of you, and then inhale, exhale. 3, 2, 1, exhale. These are sick. These are sick. Holy shit.
Wow, so dramatic.
So like I took focus on Chrissy and I took focus on Nate. So it's like, so one's like blurred out and then vice versa.
So dramatic.
My model era.
Wow.
You might be in your model era. We'll just do like some freestyles. We'll do like a 2-minute freestyle and then that's it. Hold that, hold that, hold that. You can like also like maybe like pretend walk too, like with both your hands, you know? Just like doing motion. Yeah, like, yeah, perfect. Both look out that way now. That's it. You did it. That's it. Good shit. You both are naturals. Definitely both naturals.
That was a lot of fun. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Glad you enjoyed it. That was like the one thing I was like, I hope they're having fun.